This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks in your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today's topic are about Rex Begonias, a mini plant profile. Rex Begonias are part of the Rex culturum group of begonias, also known as the painted leaf or fancy-leafed begonia. They are shade-loving plants, grown indoors or outdoors, and known mainly for their unique foliage. This is one of the 7 begonia groups I spoke to you about in the previous podcast episode. There are numerous hybrids all stemming from the Rex begonia species and new varieties that are being bred all the time, with some of the newest begonias being from the Jurassic Dino series from Ball Horticulture. Today, I'm going to tell you how to generally care for your Rex begonias and help you know if you can grow them in your outdoor or indoor garden. So, Rex begonias are considered a perennial plant and are hardy to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Any cooler than this, and plant growth will stop and the plant will be damaged by any light or hard frost, so watch your night temperatures. Now, Rex begonias are primarily grown for their foliage, although they do flower, but their foliage is their main attraction. Their leaf colors and patterns range in size and vary in how light and dark they are. Now, they grow from a rhizome or a thickened underground stem. They can reach anywhere from 12 to 24 inches tall and wide, and some are more mounding or spreading growth habits, where others are more upright growers. Now, they have these showy leaves continuously that start in either late or early summer and keep going until the autumn months. Now, Rex begonias grow in USDA hardiness zones of 10 through 12. They prefer full or partial shade and don't like direct sun. They do like finely sized, organic, well-draining soil, prefer regular watering, and they like to have their soil surface dry out between waterings. Rex begonias are susceptible to mildew and botrytis, and you can prevent either of these diseases and mealybug infestations by properly watering the plants and keeping dead plant tissues like leaves and stems picked up and the growing area clean. And that's your mini plant profile. You can find out more about Rex begonias, like the Jurassic Dino series from Ball Horticulture, by following the link in this episode's description. Also, did you know that we here at Spoken Garden have 3 different shops where you can get your very own Little Dibby or Dibby XL garden tool? Yep, you can shop not only our Etsy store, but also our Shopify and our Amazon stores. We run regular sales and promotions, so make sure to check out any of our stores so you can get deals and save to get your own little Dibby gardening tool. Links for each of these stores will be also in this episode's description. Happy gardening! You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you in the garden.